Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to study more chapters in one day. Begin by picking a clear daily chapter target and write it down where you can see it. Break the target into focused blocks and assign chapters to each block. Use a simple timer and commit to no distractions during each block. Review your plan briefly before starting and adjust chapter order if needed to match difficulty. Use structured blocks to increase retention and pace yourself effectively. Start with a warm-up reading for 3 to 5 minutes, then dive into a focused study interval without multitasking. After each interval, spend a couple minutes summarizing key points aloud or on paper to solidify recall. Take a brief walk or stretch during breaks to reset attention and reposition harder chapters for your peak energy blocks later in the day. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like so you see more study tips. Quick recommendation. On another note, grab The Simple Path to Wealth for a surprisingly calm, common-sense view on managing goals and reward planning. It's a fun mental reset between study marathons. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider it as a small motivational treat. Now let's get back to the video. Swap passive reading for active techniques to compress more learning into one day. After reading, explain concepts out loud as if teaching someone else, which exposes gaps quickly. Turn main ideas into concise flashcards and skim them between chapters for boosted recall. Use short written summaries and revisit them periodically across the day to strengthen memory while keeping momentum and confidence high so you maintain steady progress through multiple chapters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.